भले ही वो मेरे वीडियो देख के मुझे फायदा हो रहा हो, लेकिन मत देखना प्लीज, मत देखना। बुलसाई, कैन यू गाइस सी? Just keep going back to this closet. Ignore my gray hair, ignore my acne, and let's get into the video. Hi, my lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bronze Beauty Diaries. And I'm back with an interesting video wherein I'm gonna declutter all the products that I've been holding and occupying a lot of space in my vanity, in my cupboard. And I was getting anxious because it was just lying out there. I couldn't make use of it. And I'm also gonna let you guys know why I'm decluttering. So it's gonna have like three categories. Like I like them and it got expired, and there are also gonna be products which went rancid, like it has gone bad before it got expired. And of course, I'm gonna include those products which I regret buying. I think I've done one video in the past. If you guys haven't seen, I'm gonna make sure to link it somewhere. These are the amount of products that I'm gonna declutter, and it breaks my heart and how, because ye products waste ja rahe ho guys. I'm gonna take a moment for that. I'm gonna be very honest. Few products here sent out to me by brands in exchange for a butter collaboration or PR. There are a couple of also products which I get for free, like for a clubbed orders on Nike or any other brand. And there are like major items which I've purchased from my own money. So while I talk about each product, I'm also gonna uh, put it somewhere on the screen that I have purchased it or it's PR. These are not the only items. I also have few perfumes to talk about which I absolutely regret buying. Of course, they are bought by my own money. So with that long intro, I think let's quickly get into the video. So I'm gonna first talk about two plum lip crayons. Yeah, this one is in the shade Perky Pink and this one is in the shade Red Zone. This is a warm tone red. Yeah, this is what the shade is. I personally don't gravitate towards a warm shade, and this is a very, oh my god, I don't even know how to explain. This is a very bright chatak pink, not my vibe. However, both of these I think have expired. So this is expiring in October 2025, and this is also expiring in October 2025. I did not purchase them. ये मुझे प्लम के वेबसाइट में ऑर्डर करके कुछ फ्रीबी में मिला. बोथ आई गॉट इट इन अ डिफरेंट ऑर्डर. सो बहुत अच्छा फॉर्मूला है, बट दिस शेड आई कैन नॉट यूज इट. सो ये कब से जस्ट पड़ा है. आई एम गोना डिक्लटर इट. एंड दिस शेड इज something red मैं इतना use नहीं करती हूँ, and it's a warm red, and it's also getting expired. So I thought of giving to someone, but who would enjoy this bright pink, right? If someone who's very fair, probably they may enjoy. So ये दोनों भी मैं फेंक रही हूँ, actually literally फेंक रही हूँ, right? Anyways, the next product that I'm going to talk about is Blue Heaven. This is the Color and Condition Tinted Lip Oil, and I am in the shade Glazed Brown. Blue Heaven did lip tint even when, like, I think most of the Indian brands had not started doing lip tint. This is a very beautiful corally nude shade. It's a very nice tint. It stays long. It's quite nourishing as well, not that drying. Slightly washes me out, so I never really gravitated towards this shade. If I had put a little bit of effort, maybe lined my lip with a darker brown lip liner, went ahead with this, probably it might have worked out. It kind of smells funky, and I think ये अभी expire भी हो गया है, so sadly I have to let it go. And अभी के time में market में बहुत सारे lip tints है, तो I don't think you have to go and purchase this particular shade. I don't know about the other shade, but yeah, the formula is pretty decent, but this shade. Okay. Moving on, I'm talking about this Prosh Beauty lip stick. I don't know about the details. I'm gonna pop it on the screen. Very beautiful formula. This is a liquid lipstick. I am in the shade Drama Mama. मुझे ये shade बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद था पहले. This is a very peach shade, and I was in an era where I used to love peach nude lipstick so much. तो तभी मैंने ये लिया था. But the thing is, right now I'm kind of moving away from liquid lipsticks. I think it's about the gloss era right now, and तुम ना वही देख देख के ना अपने आप वो भी पसंद आने लगता है. I used to be a fan of liquid lipsticks. I do prefer liquid lipstick, but formula में बहुत choosy हो जाती हूँ. But however, this one of the beautiful formula. It was quite expensive as well. Comfortable liquid lipstick, but it's just that I am not gravitating towards liquid lipstick. और ये पड़े पड़े expire हो गया. So nice formula. If you could afford it, I think you can get it. Got this Blur liquid lipstick. This is the shade Chocolate Brown. Oh, look at the shade. It's such a beautiful warm brown shade. It's gonna suit my skin tone and anyone like who belongs to dusky deeper skin tone. बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत shade है. but again इसमें से funky smell आ रहा है, so I stopped using it. Don't mind the packaging क्योंकि जहाँ से crack हो गया तो I just applied a washi tape, yeah. Still try to use it, but नहीं ये थोड़ा सा funky smell कर रहा है and I don't think I should put anything that is funky on my lips, so I am discarding this one. Then I have like few lipstick from Orgatre, so a full face of makeup they had sent me, and I did collaborate with them. So it was a very hit and miss. Like there are a lot of products which I really liked it, and I still have it. A couple of products I gave it to my mom and my sister as well. And lipstick also was with a काफी अच्छे formula था. This was a very creamy lipstick. But this I'm discarding it because I couldn't give it away because I've swatched it. तो मैं आप लोगों को तो दे ही नहीं सकती हूँ. The only reason why I'm discarding it is because this doesn't suit me. So this is a very pale lipstick, like a worth it वाला shade जो L'Oreal में भी चल रहा है, something like that. I'm not saying it's a dupe, but that's the reason I'm discarding it as well. This is a Gush Play Paint and I am in the shade Master Pie. Gush Beauty से मैंने बहुत सारे products खरीदे थे. Most of them were a miss, but ये shade मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा था. Again, it's a very like a liquid lipstick formula, but मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. Very comfortable, very pigmented. But इनका shelf life बहुत कम था. Like I used it as my blush as well because a very beautiful shade. I'll show you. So do you see the difference between this plum pink shade and this pink shade? So this is also a Jetta pink, but this looks very beautiful on my skin tone. I have done a full swatch of my favorite lipsticks in one of my video, like lipstick swatches का playlist में डाल दूंगी, अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप देख लेना. But ये expire हो चुका है, so I'm letting it go. Then comes the Nykaa creamy lipstick. So this was very recently given as a birthday freebie or something. I don't remember, but I was really disappointed because they sent a shade Wine and Grind, which is absolutely not like a wine and grind. It's like a cherry red. So I'm like, I'm just throwing it away. I have not even applied it once on my lips, but I cannot make use of it, so I'm throwing it away. This is a lipstick from Hilary Rhoda. This is sent to me in PR. Otherwise, I would never pick up a shade like this. But उनका collaboration के लिए ये product नहीं था. This was just an extra product. It's a liquid lipstick, but it's a very bright shade. I cannot use this shade. Look at this. Again, I've swatched it, so I cannot keep it for a giveaway. I really wish I had not swatched it because the packaging looked nice. So I thought probably it would be a very beautiful mocha kind of a shade for me. But अंदर से ऐसा कुछ दिख नहीं रहा था. You can see like कैसा दिख रहा है ये. So it's a very bright shade. It didn't look good on me. So throwing it away. Then again, another liquid lipstick from Orgatre. Again, the formula is very nice for this liquid lipstick. I don't know why no one talks about Orgatre, but this is a very pale shade again. Like, who would wear this shade? Come on, so I'm throwing this away. I think that's all for the lipsticks. Now I have a few products from Inside Cosmetics as well. So this is the HD Matte Loose Setting Powder. It's just that it's too matte and too heavy. It's not like very fine loose powder. It doesn't have a tint. It's in the shade Banana, but it's very matte for even someone who comes from a combination skin type. So I tried to use it. बहुत quantity था, but इतना बच गया and expire हो गया, so throwing it away. Then comes my another product which I didn't use it. I could have used it, but I didn't use it. This is the Inside Makeup Essential Concealer, and this is वो 100 rupee वाला concealer. This is in the shade NC4 Warm Yellow. Can you guys see? I have never used it. Like एक बार दो बार मैंने swatch किया, but I could never make it use. ये pan में काफी अच्छा warm yellow लग रहा है, but as soon as it translates on my skin, it becomes little grey. तो मैंने इसको कभी use नहीं किया. I tried to mix up with lot of different combination, just didn't work it. Plus it was just 100, so I really didn't bother to put a lot of effort to finish it. Throwing it away ये और ये expired 2024 में हो गया, फिर भी पता नहीं मैंने इसको क्यों रखा था. Then comes the Inside Cosmetics, the most amazing product. This one is the highlighter. Again, this was 100 rupees. This is in the shade Angelic Beauty. If you have to get something must have from Inside Cosmetics, has to be this one. Look at this, how much I have used it. I made a dent as well. I used to carry it everywhere whenever I travel, and the reason I'm throwing it because it got expired. Such a beautiful shade. Like, I'll show you. It's so creamy. Absolutely, even if you come up close that you cannot see chunky particle, I'm gonna apply it here and I'll show you how beautiful it is. It is so gorgeous, guys. Such a beautiful highlighter, and they have like a lot of shade ranges as well, so check it out. Then I have a product from Mars Cosmetics. This one is the BB cream, skin perfection, color correcting. Don't come at me. इस ये अभी तक एक्सपायर हुआ नहीं है, 2026 में एक्सपायर हो रहा है. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल फॉर्मूला, बट सैडली आई कुड नेवर मेक इट यूज बिकॉज I got the wrong shade. This is the shade 05 Rich, and it's such a dark shade, you guys. Like, it's a very cool tone shade. Can you guys see? It's very cool tone shade. एंड ये शेड मैं जब भी यूज करती हूँ ना, मुझ पे बहुत ज्यादा, मैं ऐशी ऐशी नहीं बोलूंगी, पर मैं बहुत डार्क और डल दिखती हूँ, बिकॉज द अंडरटोन इज नॉट राइट. बहुत टाइम तक मैंने रखा था. आई थॉट कि आई पिक अप अ लाइटर शेड, मे बी मिक्स एंड यूज इट. आई डोंट अप्लाई एनी बेस प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन डेली बेसिस, तो और खरीद के it would have been a waste, because मेरे पास already है skin tints. Otherwise, this is not a regret product. If you guys still want a good BB cream, this is such a good formula. So yeah, abhi bhi after like 3-4 years of its launch, it still stands at a good place. So it's just that it's my fault because I picked up a wrong shade. Then I have a product from Within Beauty. Actually, I have a lot of products from Within Beauty which I really want to talk about. Not a lot, a couple of products which I really want to talk about, but not in this particular video. I'll be talking about it in like some other video. But this is a Barrier Reset Calming Sleeping Mask. It has Ceramide Complex and Cica. So this one never worked out for me for some reason. The ingredients are so nice. It has fragrance, so probably I don't know whether because of the fragrance it didn't suit me. It always broke me. Like, it's a sleep calming sleep mask. It's supposed to like calm your skin, and you wake up with plump and barrier repaired skin. Nothing of that sorts happen. Yeah, it does have fragrance. That's my problem with Within Beauty. Like, जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने ट्राई किए ना, उसमें बहुत ज्यादा फ्रेग्रेंस रहा है. अभी विदिन ब्यूटी के बारे में कोई ज्यादा बात नहीं करता है, बट दिस प्रोडक्ट broke me out, so no, I'm not using it. I'm not putting it on my face. Then comes another like 3 products from Hilary Rhoda. So these are the eyeliners. Again, these were sent out to me by the brand along with the product that was supposed to be like a collaboration product. बट ये आईलाइनर्स मैंने काफी बार यूज करने की कोशिश की है. एंड डू यू सी द वॉन्ड ऑफ द लिक्विड ब्लैक आईलाइनर? इट इज सो हॉरिबल. I hope the camera focuses. It's not a felt tip, it's a brush tip, but it is so uneven and the hairs are coming out. Like, you cannot get a eyeliner with this at all. It's gonna be definitely messy. Maybe you could go ahead and put a pencil brush or eyeliner brush into it and draw a liner, but मैं इतना मेहनत क्यों करूँ जब मेरे पास बहुत सारे eyeliners already है. So I'm throwing this away. And these are the colored eyeliners. Every time Hilary Rhoda sent me a PR, they always made sure that इसमें से 2 या 3 products वो डाल दे. These eyeliners are absolute waste. I don't know how to make use of them. They are like decent pigmentation. Like, ये इतना ज़्यादा smudge होता है, you guys. The shade is very nice. Like, the pigmentation is very nice. But ये इतना ज़्यादा smudge होता है. It makes इतना मैला और dark हो जाता है ना around your eyes. It's just not worth it. So throwing them away. Then I have one perfume from Plum. Oh my god, I don't want to sniff it. This was a freebie along with other combined orders. So it is so bad. I'll have the name if I could find it, but I think I did talk about this in product regrets video. तो मैं उसमें से नाम ये करके मैं इसमें डाल देती हूँ. But it's such a bad fragrance, so I'm throwing that away. It's so bad. I don't know how I used. Oh my god, सर तक चढ़ गया मेरा. Then I'm decluttering this blur eyeliner, darker than my ex soul. Brown eyeliner comes with a sharpener and stuff. But इसका नाम तो देखो भाई, darker than ex soul, but इसका कोई pigmentation ही नहीं है. You guys see? Guys, मजाक नहीं कर रही हूँ. ये देखो, ये इतना ज्यादा ड्राई हो जाता है. जब से ये आया है तब से ये ड्राई है. सी, इतना प्रेशर डाला कि ये टूट के गिर गया नीचे, लेकिन फिर भी इसमें कोई पिगमेंटेशन नहीं है और ये अभी खत्म भी हो गया. वाह, तोड़ तोड़ के खत्म किया मैंने इसको. सो आई एम थ्रोइंग इट अवे. नो, इट्स नॉट डार्कर देन योर एक्स सोल. फिर मेरा एक और प्रोडक्ट है. दिस इज द फॉक्सटेल विटामिन सी ब्राइटनिंग सीरम. दिस आई हैड परचेज्ड इट. एंड एक फॉक्सटेल से मुझे भी रिसेंटली पीआर आया था. उसमें भी उन लोग ने ये प्रोडक्ट इंक्लूड किया, विच आई गेव इट टू माई सिस्टर बिकॉज शी इज यूज्ड टू विटामिन सी एंड अ हायर परसेंटेज ऑफ एक्टिव्स. Me personally, I don't generally prefer vitamin C because I always have some or the other breakout, and active acne mein you're not supposed to use vitamin C. It has 15% L-ascorbic acid and vitamin E. I might have used it once and twice and kept it. Again, that's not my problem. It oxidizes pretty bad, and I'll show you though. I don't know. It first of all, it's quartz. All the Foxtail products they squirt. I don't know why they squirt. See the product. The product has changed its color and has become orangish, yellowish. I don't know how. It was not like this when it came, and it has become very brown. Like it's यहाँ पे जो spillover था, it has like oxidized. I know vitamin C oxidized, but this did in like a month or so. I just used once, and this was the halat. I'll grab a tissue to clean this mess because otherwise मैं मेरा पूरा table white table खराब करूँगी. Just I'll be back. That's all for this basket, this small basket. इसके सारे products मैंने खत्म कर दिए. Now let's quickly talk about the perfumes. So I have two perfumes from Studio West. This one is in the variant Autumn, and this one is in the variant Woman, Citrus and Amber. I have seriously no idea why I picked them. मुझे ये तो sales girl ने चिपकाया. I tried to use it. You guys can see मैंने काफी हद तक इसको use किया, but it is very masculine fragrance. It's not my vibe. And the first ingredient is bergamot, cardamom, cashmere, cologne, benzoin, cedarwood. It's like a typical masculine. मुझे जो भी fragrant notes मुझे नहीं पसंद. It's for 14.95, and if I remember vividly, I think I paid the full price for it, so I regret buying it. Since then I've stopped impulse buying perfume. मैं उसको research करती हूँ, उसको मैं कार्ट में डालती हूँ, मैं उसको sniff करके वापस घर आती हूँ, फिर the next time when I go to the store or something, then I pick up. Now I don't pick up impulse buy at all. So ये मैं मेरे कोई male friend को देने वाली हूँ, because I'm not throwing it because it's not a cheap product. Then I am getting rid of this one. This one is Studio West Women, Citrus and Amber. Again, it's my mistake, but ये मैंने काफी सेल में लिया था. I think buy one या कुछ तो में सेल में दिखा था मैंने लिया. I don't know why I picked up. This has a very nauseating kind of a citrus opening with amber, which again I don't like it. Yeah, it is. This also could pass for a male. I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna give it away. If they like it, they can use it, or if they don't like, they can like throw it away. So that's that. Then I'm gonna talk about two perfumes more, which I have already spoken about in my product regret buying. But this is a declutter video, so I'm including it again because I'm gonna declutter them finally. So this one is the Ramson's Exotica, very viral perfume that people keep talking about, and I also got influenced and picked up. And can you see I haven't opened it at all? Look at the packaging, but it is such a, if you guys want a nauseating fragrance which can trigger the migraine even in a patient who is not a known case of migraine, get this one. Would have given this away to you guys because this is a full size bottle which I've not even sniffed it once. Why, I'll tell you, because they also gave a small freebie along with it जो इसका छोटा 10 ml वेरिएंट है. तो मैंने इसको ओपन किया ही नहीं, मैंने इसको ओपन किया था एंड इट गेव मी ट्रिगर्ड माइग्रेन. इतना कि मैं उसको सोच सोच के मेरे को हेडेक आ रहा था फॉर 1 week. आई एम नॉट एक्सैजरेटिंग एट ऑल. इट्स सच अ nauseating. The notes are so complex. I think I've spoken about it. Again, I'm going to leave a timestamp on the screen. If you guys want a full review on it, you can go and check that video out. But why? मैं चाहूंगी कि तुम लोग टाइम वेस्ट ना करें ये परफ्यूम के पीछे. भले ही वो मेरे वीडियो देख के मुझे फायदा हो रहा हो, लेकिन मत देखिए, प्लीज मत देखिए, बिकॉज स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दिस परफ्यूम. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी मुझ में ट्रस्ट है ना, तो स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दिस परफ्यूम. ओके, so this one I'm not giving it away to anyone. I am throwing it away. Okay, then the last perfume again, which is body mist from Bath and Body Works, is this winter candy apple from B&BW. I picked this one up at offer at for 7.99. By the way, guys, this Bath and Body Works are doing an amazing sale. 7.99 के उनके सारे fragrances है अभी. इवन 1000 wishes, द ओजी फ्रेग्रेंस जो कभी भी सेल में नहीं चलता है, वो भी 7.9 में है, इन स्टॉक है, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन दोनों में भी. आई वुड स्टिल से कि आके एक बार स्निफ कर लेना. उन लोगों ने बहुत सारे न्यू वेरिएंट्स निकाले हैं, ड्यूप्स ऑफ हाई एंड परफ्यूम्स. उसमें से कुछ एक दो मैंने भी पिकअप किया, रिव्यू कमिंग सून. बहुत मस्त कलेक्शन लगा मुझे. इफ यू गाइस आर अ फैन ऑफ B&BW, देन आई थिंक यू शुड गो एंड चेक इट आउट. This one ना मेरे को सेल्स पर्सन ने धोखे से दिलवाया, and this is not my vibe. This is like a fruity red apple, winter rose petals, candied oranges, maple leaf, fresh. It's not my vibe. But as the name suggests, like winter candy apple, I get it. It's like a Christmas Eve, cozy snowfall हो रहा है. It's something like that, but it's not my vibe. So this is again it ट्रिगर्ड माई माइग्रेन. मैंने बहुत यूज करने की कोशिश की, इतना मैंने इसको ना यूज करा है, बट आई जस्ट कुडंट मेक यूज ऑफ इट अगेन. आई एम थ्रोइंग दिस अवे. आई डोंट लाइक इट. With that, I am done with this video. It breaks my heart that I have to throw so many products, I have to throw so many lipsticks, but रख के भी मेरे को बहुत एंग्जाइटी हो रहा था. इससे अच्छा मैं एक टाइम में निकाल दूं. द ओनली थिंग दैट आई कैन डू राइट नाउ इज डू माइंडफुल शॉपिंग. डोंट डू इम्पल्स परचेज because you literally don't need 1,000 lipsticks or 1,000 skincare or 1,000 perfume. So if you keep this one thing in mind, I think you can be very careful purchasing, or at least you will have second thoughts before you do impulse purchase. That's what I have been practicing for. It's been a long, like I wouldn't say like 6 mahina ho gaya, but I think it's been around the 20-25 days. Like after I posted Nykaa haul, I have not purchased anything, and I've also reduced consuming content, like हॉल वीडियोस देखना हो, वो सब मैंने थोड़ा कम कर दिया है. सो दैट वे आई रियलाइज यू एक्चुअली डोंट नीड सो मेनी लिपस्टिक्स. जस्ट लेट मी नो व्हाट यू गाइस थिंक अबाउट दिस टॉपिक. आई थिंक विद दैट आई शुड गो नाउ. सी यू, बाय.